Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathima amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na ngizoqala nje ke indaba ehamba phambili namhlanje bafethu engizwile kuthiwa ke iMamelodi Sundowns inezingxoxo with imanagement kabani na imanagement kaOlisanda lona oyi-free agent currently umjida ke mukhumbula kahle usasana kudedela iOrlando Pirates last season njengoba nje iOrlando Pirates yamdedela wajoina inina wajoina iStelis hlala kuStelis for 6 months after lo 6 months ke wase umjida dedwelwa isona iStelis so currently umjida uyi-free agent and ke ngizwile ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ikhuluma naye ukuthi ke abe i-potential signing yeMamelodi Sundowns kulona leli windi leli sekulona iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukuqinisa kakhulu emuva because if you remember last season iSundowns yabanenkinga kakhulu ngosikhathi abadlali abaningi beba injured kuma center backs so ifuna ukuqinisa lapho kuma center backs ilande quality players a player like uLisanda is a very good player oyiquality ongambeka ebenchini umdinge uma izinto yishuba impela it will be a good signing for iMamelodi Sundowns if izinto zenzeka ngempela so mina comments ukuthi ke uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba le ezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs iannouncele bafethu their newest signing kokuba na kuRonaldo Liena I did videos regarding yena umjida bafethu previously ni wabonile ama video ngasho ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs are the front runners in signing uyena uRonaldo Liena naku ke namhlanje sebem-announcer as their new player umjida bamthole on a free transfer which is a very good free transfer ama transfers amaningi awajwayele ukuthi ke atholakale efree kanje kuBetway Premiership because this is bafana goalkeeper yabo kusiyena nje ugoalkeeper unoma wamthola noma ikuphi goalkeeper bafana lo so congratulations to umjida bafethu let's hope uzofika kwiKaizer Chiefs adlala ngempela akwazi ke abange lona ijezi benobani na Brandon Peterson bangamhlalisi ebenchini kakhulu because ukumhlalisa ebenchini kakhulu uyeza khohle ukuthi ke ugoalkeeper afana njengabanye ogoalkeeper ababenikezwe ithuba bangayibonakalisi ukuthi ke kumele benze njani congratulations to yena kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje amsho abantu abaningi bashaqekile ke beyibona le indaba lezi but ke Orlando Pirates bafethu iphume nombuyike namhlanje ngabadlali okubalwa khona uThabiso Sesane uRaseboja uNdlozi uKhoto uSonwabo Khumalo uBlessing Ngiba benoSeth Green Sonwabo Khumalo uKhoto uNgiba noSeth Green abajida bafethu bebedlalela iDDC badediliwe abajida badayi uKhoto simdayisa esikhukhune Sonwabo Khumalo samdayisa kuMidlands leyase KZN benoBlessing Ngiba mase kuthi ke uSeth Green samdayisa kuDurban City FC mase kuthi ke uThabiso Sesane benoRaseboja noSiyabonga Ndlozi sibadayisa emateam akho na vele nabo la kuBetway Premiership okuyiswelele for uThabiso Sesane on a permanent move yabo ngeke ngashaya ivideo ngasho ukuthi ke ngiyenzeka umjida ke bamise on a loan benoRaseboja but ke kuboya ngawuthi ke abajida bobabili okuba nawo kuRaseboja and nawo Sesane bazojoina on a permanent move mase kuthi ke uNdlozi benokhoto baye kweSikhukhune United kuma permanent moves mase kuthi ke uKhumalo benongiba bazoya kuMidlands mase kuthi ke lapha kuDurban City sihambise uSeth Green singesazi ukuthi ke ingabe Orlando Pirates njoba ishaye nje lama signings lawa kukhona yini ezokuzuza kuona lama team because ngiyabona kwiswelele vele Orlando Pirates kukhona esikuzuzile bakhona abadlali sibasayinile ingabe kwiSikhukhune United kukhona umdlali Orlando Pirates emfunayo singesazi ingabe kuMidlands ingabe kuDurban City asazi but ke Orlando Pirates bafethu si-release another group of players remember they released another group of players earlier this window berelease khona uMabasa berelease oGilberto berelease obanina oSiphombule yabo oKimvwidi there are many players abebe ba release kulona leli window leli siphuma leli window leli esikulona kahle ngesazi noma sebeqedile yini abasazokhipha more athi ke ngibafisela ukuhle abajida bakwazi ukuthi ke bayisize Orlando Pirates iwin eBetway Premiership let's hope ke bazokwazi ke bafike badlale kahle kulama team abaya kuona yabo bakwazi ukuthi ke bayisize iDDC labafana abancane siwine isicoco seDDC abanye ke basizile siwine iBetway Premiership kwesinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ibambe ingxoxo with ama agents kaBonhle Molefe bafuna ke ukuthi umjida asayine another contract with iKaizer Chiefs extend isikhathi sakhe njengoba nje idlalela iKaizer Chiefs remember iKaizer Chiefs they recently done this with another goalkeeper kuba na okuBruce Bvuma so currently iKaizer Chiefs ino goalkeeper bangakina so uPeter Sini uBvuma kuba na kubuRonaldo Liena kuba uFace Ntwari mase kuba uBonhle Molefe singesazi ngoFace Ntwari umjida ke ngenzeka bamdayise maybe naye uBvuma ngenzeka bamdayise singesazi but ke it looks like iKaizer Chiefs ino goalkeeper bayinqwaba njengamanje ngenza kube khona abadayiswayo but ke anything can happen ilona iwindi leBetway Premiership li tricky indlela eyisimanga anything can happen kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje iCape Town City announcele ke their newest signing ngokuba nawo umfundo Thikazi umjida bomsayine from iKaizer Stars I spoke about yena uMfundo Thikazi bafethu ukuthi ke yena uzojoyina with Omonari abe umdlalo omusha wayo inina iCape Town City. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu amaZulu have signed their newest player kubani na okumncedi Vandala umjide obedlalela eMagesi currently ube free agent, so bakwazile ukuthi ke bamthole as a free agent. I hear many people laughing at Kaizer Chiefs saying Kaizer Chiefs sign ama free agents amaningi, but there are many teams ku Betway Premiership athola ama free agents such as wona amaZulu currently I think i-free agent yesithathu le ngiyibona isayina yabo. So akhona ama team asayina ama free agents la ku Betway Premiership. Ningayihleki Kaizer Chiefs yo. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje owner we-TS Galaxy okuba now Team Sukazi. Team Sukazi ke uvelelwe inkinga with uSARS. Kuthiwa ke ukweleta imali engango 800,000 nemali. And uma ke engayikhokhi leyo mali leyo kuzothathwa kwizinto ayi-ownayo, kwizinto ayi-ownayo kwindlu yakhe. Kuthiwa ke kumele akhokhe le mali le in 10 days. Uma engayikhokhi ke le mali ayikweletayo in 10 days izinto eziningi ayi-ownayo zizohamba zithathwe yona uSARS. But ke if Team Sukazi ehlakaniphike ngempela bakhona abadlali sengabadayisa kuyona iclub yakhe, abadlali abanje ngomahlambi kanje. Mina ke uMahlambi ngajabula kakhulu ngimbone ethola imove ya kwi-team enkulu la ku-Betway Premiership, but ke singesazi ukuthi ke yiphi leyo team ezomsayina uMahlambi. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile ezimnandi ke bafethu indlela eyisimaki iMamelodi Sundowns iwingxenye yama club azodlala against iAl Hilal. iAl Hilal ke bafethu njengoba nje iyodlala i-pre-season friendlies, iMamelodi Sundowns imenyiwe nawo ukuthi ke iyoyivocavoca with yona iAl Hilal. iAl Hilal ke bafethu inabadlali abaningi abafamous abebedlala ko-Europe asebedlala le ko-Saudi Arabia. So Sundowns iyodlala ne team ethopi kakhulu okuyiAl Hilal le idlala no Ronaldo le. Ngiyabona nje lama club bafethu siyayibona lapha eMC Alger nayo is another African side esiyibona idlala lapha eAustria idlala with Mamelodi Sundowns. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu uFaldo Davies kuthiwa ke umjida he has turned down i-offer eqhamuka kwi-Young Africans after bengakwazanga ukuthi ke bavumelane with isivumelano sokuthi ke asayine kahle umjida. Kubuya ngokuthi ke akabanga happy neze with i-contract abamnikeze yona, so ingakho nje eyishuthe down i-Young Africans. Kodwa ke ngizwile indaba ngayo uFaldo Davies kuthiwa ke naye ukuhlu ko-coach, uhlu lo coach abazocoacha iBafana Bafana yabo. Right now ubanena uPitso Mosimane is the front runner kuyona i-race yokuthi ke abe ucoach iBafana Bafana, but naye uFaldo Davies is one of those coaches ongenzeka aqokwe yabo. I'm not saying anything, but ke ukuhlu lwabo o-coach bakhona nabo Pitso, bakhona nabo oRulani, there are many coaches I can mention, but ke naye uFaldo ukulona loluhlu. So ngeke ngithoye kakhulu mase naye mhlambe ke sizwe eqokwa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu kuthiwa ke i-future kaKodisang with iMamelodi Sundowns kubuya ngathi ke i-future engeke izibe imnandi nenze, ngoba nje umjida esasalelo 3 years kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns and nje esathana kuthola i-loan eyele ku-Stelis. Kubukeka ukuthi ke umjida akaimpressanga ku-Stelis and nakhona kwi-Sundowns ake-impress. Singesazi noma ke Sundowns izozama ukumdayisa yini futhi. Basengamdayisa ke vele bamdayisele phesheya, akhona ama club asengamsayini. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu ke iHope FC have signed uNande Wetboy from iCape Town City. Umjida ke bafethu he has been playing very well, naye umjida wale Cape Town. Ngiyayithanda into eyenziwe iHope FC bafethu, they are signing more and more players aqhamuka khona eCape Town. It seems like abajida lento abayenzayo izokwazi ukuthi ke badlale kahle and ba-understandane, because in environment yabo bayi-understand. Abadlali abaningi abasuka kwamanye ama-provinces ngeke ba-understande indlela yokudlala edlala le eKapa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu kuthiwa ke i-race yokuba upresident lapha kwiSAFA iyashisa ngempela njengamanje, because if you remember uSandile Zungu uphumile ubala washo ukuthi ke naye ufuna ukuba upresident wanina wayiSAFA, ufuna ukuchallenge uDenny Jordan. Nangoku vice president la esesho ukuthi ke naye usatha umhlala phansi njengamanje uyaphuma race, hayi ngoba ethethe umhlala phansi uyaphuma kwi-race. Uzokwenza njani na? Uzobheka uSandile Zungu ukuthi ke abe upresident wayo iSAFA. Singesazi ukuthi ke ubani ozowina lo mnqadiswane lo ukuthi ke abe upresident weSAFA, but ke it looks like uDenny Jordan unawo ama-powers within the branches of iSAFA, usengakwazi ukuthi ke aqhubeke abe upresident. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile uRanga Chavaviro bafethu announce ke iclub entsha yale eKuwait ebizwa ngani na nge-Al Fahahil SC. Yabo angikwazi ukulipronounce kakhulu leli gama, but ke it looks like uRanga Chavaviro uyidlela imali le ko-Gulf region umjida ushaya namagoli yabo. So I'm happy for him, le top izinto zemhambela kahle kwiclub entsha ayitholile.